everyone, and welcome. My name is Kristen. I am a certified fitness instructor and an occupational therapist. Today I have for you a 10-minute upper body workout for those who are just starting out in becoming active. It requires no equipment. It is very low impact, and we don't need to be getting down and up off of the ground. All the exercises will be standing. The format is that we'll be doing 5 different exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and we'll go through those 5 exercises 2 times to total 10 minutes. And of course, I'll add in a quick stretch at the end. If you haven't done a warm-up yet, please hit pause now, walk around your house a little bit, march in place just for 3 to 5 minutes to get that heart rate up, and then join us back once you're warmed up. Of course, if during any movement you feel any pain in your joints, shoulders, back, neck, please stop that movement. No pain, no gain is not an attitude I endorse. It's actually dangerous. We don't want injuries. We just want you to enjoy yourself, feel good moving, and start to build up a little bit of upper body strength. With that, I invite you to make some space around you, grab your water, and let's get moving. Okay, so the first exercise we're gonna do is a lat pull with tricep extension. So you're gonna have your shoulders back and down, abdominals tight. We're gonna hinge at the hip, so no rounding at the back, back straight. Let's get in that position now, and let's go. Pull those elbows to the ceiling, squeeze the arms straight, bring them back in, and reach the arms to the ground. Elbows up as high as you can. Squeeze the arms straight, back to bend, and down. Squeeze those shoulder blades together to bring those elbows up to the ceiling. Right here, squeeze and lift those elbows, straighten. When we straighten, we squeeze the triceps, the muscle in the back of the arm. Yes, so in these no weight exercises, we really gotta concentrate on the muscles that are squeezing and make them work as hard as they can so we get maximum benefit for our effort. Good work, one more. All right, take a break. We're going to the wall. Some wall push-ups. So you're gonna stand arm's length away from the wall, maybe even take a little step back. Fingertips should be about as high as your shoulders and a little bit wider. Let's go in, bring our chest to the wall and come back. Chest to the wall and come back. So we're keeping one long line with that body. We're not breaking at the hips like this, no. One long line, all your body weight in towards the chest and come back. In and back. If you need a challenge, you could try up on your toes. It's gonna put a bit more body weight and weight into that push-up. Make sure you're going slow and controlled on the way down and the way up, really pushing hard into that wall. Good work, take a break. Next up, we're gonna hinge at those hips again. This time we're doing what I call flies. Arms are straight and we come back down. All right, let's take our shoulders back, abs in, let's go. Hinge at the hips. Again, squeezing in the upper back, arms go out wide, and then they come down in front of us. Squeeze the shoulders and shoulder blades together and come back down. So we want to think in our minds that we're trying to make those shoulder blades touch back here. So you could think about if someone put their hand down the center of your back, you're trying to squeeze that hand and not let it go. Yes, slow and controlled, squeezing as many of those muscle fibers in your upper back as you can, while keeping your stomach in, belly button in towards the spine. There we go. Take a deep breath, shake it out. We're going back to the wall. Again, this time though, your hands are gonna be much closer and your elbows are gonna stay nice and close to your body as you come into the wall. We're working on triceps here. Let's go. So in and out. Your hands might need to be a little bit lower. Yes, you could even go up on your toes if you wanted to. But No matter the option you take, I want you to keep that straight body as you go into the wall and come back. Play around a bit, see which is comfortable for you and still works those triceps. So elbows squeeze in to the body. It's not wide. Elbows in and your arms are touching your body as your body comes close to the wall. Good work. Shake it out. And our last exercise is going to be a bit of endurance for those shoulders. We're going to have our arms out in a T, shoulders up, back, down, leave them down as we do little circles. Ready? Let's go. Little circles to the back. Arms are strong. Abs are in. Engage the abdominal muscles. It's a bit of endurance work for those shoulders. Good. And we're about halfway through, so switch directions, little circles to the front. Keep those arms up the entire time. You can move around a bit if you need to. If it distracts you, move those legs. Yes. We've got 5 seconds left. And then we're going to repeat those 5 exercises. And take a break. All right, back to the beginning. Those, what we call lat pull. It's the lat is the muscle in our back we're working here on this action. And then tricep extension. Tricep in the back of those arms. Let's go. Pull those elbows up. Squeeze them straight. In and down. Elbows up. Straight. In and down. Elbows come up and you almost want to squeeze those elbows together. They're not going to come close. Clearly, our body is in the way. But we want to use the muscles that do that action. Squeezing the arms together as we pull the elbows up to the ceiling. Make sure you're reaching the top of your head far away from your tailbone, from the rest of your spine. Lots of space between those vertebrae. Nice straight back, abs in. Take a break. Next up, wall push-ups. Hands can be a bit wider than the shoulders, and elbows are farther from the body than those tricep ones we'll be doing again. Hands a little bit wider than the shoulders. Let's go. Straight body in and out. Really control and feel the weight of your body as you go in to the wall and push out. In and out. Keep that core engaged. That's what's going to help you keep a straight line in that body. Really feel the weight in your hands pushing against the wall as you push your body weight away from the wall. Good. We're almost there. 5 more seconds. Excellent. Shake it out. Next, we're going to do those flies. So this time, instead of pulling elbows up, arms are straight and they just open wide. We squeeze in the upper back and we come down. Ready? Let's go. Abs in, hinge at the hips, reach out wide, squeeze the shoulder blades together and come back down. Squeeze those shoulders together. Even though we're squeezing the shoulders together in the back, we're still keeping the shoulders down away from the ears. So we're not shrugging up like this. No. Shoulders down and then squeeze the arms, or squeeze the shoulders. Arms rise as a result. Arms go wide. Squeeze those shoulder blades. Yes. We're almost there. 5 seconds left. Good work. Last time to go back to the wall. This time, those push-ups at the wall, arms stay nice and close. We're targeting a bit more the triceps this time instead of the chest. Okay, let's get to the wall. Arms about our shoulder, arms length from the wall. Let's go. Elbows in, close to the body as we bend and bring our body close to the wall and then push our arms straight. Once again, think about, is my body one long line from my feet to my head? No bending at the hips or at the waist. Am I pulling my elbows in and my arms in towards my sides, the sides of my body as I bring my chest close? And am I pushing my arms completely straight at the end here? Good. And last but not least, those little circles for our shoulders. So whatever stance is comfortable, you're gonna engage the core, tailbone shoots down to the ground, arms in a T, let's go. Make sure those shoulders are down, away from the ears. We're doing little tiny circles in one direction. We'll switch shortly, but I want those arms strong and straight. Contract the muscles in the arms. They're stiff. And switch directions. If I came and pushed down on your arm, you would be able to resist. Or if I pushed up, you would resist. Their arms are stiff and straight, reaching to either side of the room. Shoulders are down, away from those ears. Not much more. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, let's take a well-deserved stretch. We're gonna open up those arms as wide as we can, feeling a nice stretch through the chest muscles. If you're flexible enough and you can get those hands together and stretch through the chest this way, reaching those hands back, go for it. But for a lot of people, just reaching out like this is going to be enough of a stretch. All right, gently release. We're going to reach up with both arms. We'll bend one arm and bring the hand down behind the back. Grab the elbow if you can and pull behind your head. Then we'll bring our head up nice and straight. It's a good stretch for that tricep. If this is very uncomfortable, you could bring your arm in front of your body like this. All right, let's reach up, bend the other arm and hand down the back. Grab that elbow and pull it behind the head. Then stand up as tall as you can. Good. Take a deep breath. Relax those arms. We're going to roll the shoulders up, back, and down. We're going to push the hands down towards the ground, shoulders away from the ears, and let one ear fall to one shoulder. Deep breaths. And gently release again, shoulders up, back. Push the palms down to the ground. Keep pushing them as you gently let the other ear fall towards the other shoulder. And gently release. And take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. And that is it. So thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute beginner arms workout. And more importantly, thank yourself for showing up and doing the hard work. It will pay off. Keep doing it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Feel free, and please leave me any comments and feedback that you have. Did you like this video? Did you find something too hard? Do you need something more challenging, longer, shorter? I like getting all kinds of feedback. And if you're new here, make sure also to hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And with that, I wish you a good day, evening, night, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.